Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are working on a girly 70s theme set of nails. And right now I'm just getting my base coat of white down. Alright, and now that we have our white base coat down, I am taking a sheer pink and coating every nail with just one coat of the sheer pink. And now we're going to move on to our little hearts. So I slowed it down to normal speed here so you all can see, because I get asked a lot how I do my little hearts. So I'm going to put one little dot of color and another little dot of color next to each other. And then I'm going to drag those dots down in a V format until they meet. And look, it's a little heart. I'm just cleaning up the sides a little bit. But easy as that. And we're going to pepper these little heart dots all over the nails. I'm leaving I'm leaving a little bit of room in between them because this is going to be heart layer 1, and then there's going to be another heart layer on top. And now we're going to take that same sheer pink and put one light layer over our pink hearts. It's going to pigment them just a little bit, nothing crazy, because we still want to be able to see the hearts through the sheer pink. And after that sheer pink is cured, you're going to put little white hearts in the dead spots. Now we have light pink hearts and white hearts. Alright, now we can move on to the wavy 70s nail. So I have a gradient of pinks and purples that I will be using. And I'm starting kind of in the center of the nail. I have the line thicker at the top and much thinner at the bottom where the point of the nail is at. That was just a personal preference. I kind of felt like it flowed nicely. And now with the next color, I'm just going to trace that first line I made all along the edge. And considering how much I've been complaining about line work lately, I have no idea why I keep choosing nail art that involves a steady hand and good lines. Alright, now after a few gradients of pink, I'm going to place some purple down. I keep having to pull it away to inspect the line because my camera is super close to the nail. And as you can kind of see, some of my lines aren't hyper clean. They kind of overlap on the one next to them. That's okay. It's fluid. Trust me, it looks awesome in person. You're going to be the only one that notices if your lines aren't the crispiest, smoothest things in the world. Trust me. And then with a dotting tool, I'm using the same colors that I used in all those lines to make the little flowers. You can use a brush, you can use a toothpick, you can use anything with a small little tip that you can dip the pigment into. And with the same size dotting tool, I am just lightly tapping in some random little white dots, kind of like little sparkles. And now I'm going to place little hearts and little retro starbursts down in this little fluidy stream of pink and purple. After doing that for every other nail, you have your completed set. Here we are, the girly 70s inspired. I don't know, I did wear these for Valentine's Day, but I wasn't a good enough tuber to actually put it up for Valentine's Day. Sorry guys. But I really like them. I think they're cute. If you did too, please consider liking the video and dropping a subscribe. If you've got anything to say to me, go ahead and leave a comment. I'll see y'all next time.